And still in Parliament, where the Prime Minister is touting the success of the Zones of Special Operation, ZOSO, in Norwood, St. James. The opposition, however, continues to ask, what about other crime-plagued communities? Here's Anthony LUGG with that report.
It's been 10 days since the ZOSO was declared in Norwood, St. James, and for Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the crime measure is yielding success.
Already, 14 persons have been arrested and charged for varying offences, and 3 illegal firearms have been recovered. As the clear phase of the strategy takes primacy at this stage, the security forces will continue their operational pursuits to remove the criminal elements and influence from the space.
That aspect of the ZOSO is crucial, so too social intervention. The Prime Minister told Parliament that the first meeting of the Social Intervention Committee will be on Thursday.
Our strategy is based on the recognition that transformation cannot be achieved without deliberate focus on the social interventions and the delivery of social services to the Norwood community. The interventions coordinated by the Social Intervention Committee are guided by an approved social intervention framework, which will be implemented concurrently with the clear phase.
Although welcoming the initiative, opposition leader Mark Golding is concerned about the spike in murders nationally.
And the situation, of course, as you have said, Prime Minister, in the southern belt of the corporate area remains very unstable. There is a lot of crime, a lot of murders, and the police are extremely stretched in managing the situation. It affects not just my own constituency, which is badly affected, but others as well.
He again stressed that the measures being used to fight crime are not sustainable. Mr. Holness, however, argues that the government continues to pursue policies that will minimize any threat posed to law-abiding citizens.
There needs to be a national program which really gets to those vulnerable youths that are, for one reason or another, attracted or drawn into that level of criminality, and to find other pathways that can be offered to them so that they can become constructive citizens and part of the solution rather than part of the problem.
Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.